what I understand to be the role of a product manager, right, is somebody who can tell the story of their product so that users want to use it, so that buyers want to buy it, so that developers want to make it, and of course, so that leadership wants to fund it. So that's like your job, you know. So you are going to be the constant evangelist of your product. And if you are not able to communicate that story, then you're not being very effective. And I think that this mental orientation sometimes I find kind of lacking in more junior colleagues. And, this is kind of where I want to start with, because I just think that all the processes and all the toolkits in the world are not going to be useful if you are not oriented towards this like North Star of what you as a product manager, what's your job? You have to always stop and think like, whenever you're communicating with somebody, what is it that I want this person to think, feel, or do? The moment you clarify that, it just becomes so much easier to have that conversation. They set up a 30-minute meeting with the agenda like discuss next steps or align on a plan. And I go there and they talk about like, oh, in this quarter, we are going to do these 5 things. And I'm like, that's wonderful information, but what do you want me to do with this? Like, do you want my blessing that, yes, this is a plan, go forward, right? Do you want my critique that, hey, these are some of the gaps I see in your plan? Do you want me to go do something now? Say like, hey, this is what I want to do, but I don't have resources. Can you please go and fight for it, right? What is it that you want me to do? Or it could be that you just want me to understand this and internalize it so that whenever I get questions from someone, I can answer. But please be clear.